Hey guys, 95 John Joseph here with another video. This one's going to be on the car again. And just figured I'd show off the trunk and the engine, or the motor, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me. And I guess we'll start with the trunk. The caboose. Whatever. Got some free speakers from a friend of mine. And he didn't need them anymore, and he figured they'd be good in this car. So yeah, this is pretty big trunk. I'd say it's about 3 bodies. I don't know. What do you guys think? 3, 4 bodies? So yeah, new subs, new speakers. I don't think they're really subs because they're not big enough, but that's just in my opinion. So we'll go around to the front and make our way. I guess I'll go ahead and start up the engine, motor, thingamajigger. Everything shows. There's that. So this is a 3.8 V6 front wheel drive, and I wouldn't call this cold start because it's not cold out. But yeah, start it up. I'll get inside and let y'all hear it from the inside. For 6-cylinder, it's not that bad. I like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have a good day. See ya.